and the heart of the dense jungle, a courageous lion named Simba reigned as the king. He was known for his wisdom, strength, and his gentle nature towards his subjects. The other animals in the jungle respected and admired him greatly. One day, news reached Simba that a group of hunters had entered the jungle, armed with nets and traps. Concerned for the safety of his fellow animals, Simba called for an urgent meeting. The animals gathered around him, anxious and fearful. Simba addressed them with a calm and commanding voice, assuring them that he would do everything in his power to protect them. He devised a plan to outsmart the hunters and ensure the safety of the jungle's inhabitants. First, Simba sent the swift and agile cheetah to scout the hunters' camp and gather information. The cheetah returned with valuable insights about the hunters' strategies and their weaknesses. Next, the lion called upon the wise old owl, who possessed great knowledge of the jungle's terrain. The owl guided the animals to create hidden paths and secret hiding spots, making it difficult for the hunters to track them down. Simba then organized the strongest animals, such as the elephants and rhinoceroses, to form a protective barrier around the jungle's borders. Their sheer size and power would discourage the hunters from venturing further into the territory. Meanwhile, the clever monkeys used their nimble fingers and quick thinking to steal the hunters' tools and create distractions, diverting their attention away from the jungle's inhabitants. As night fell, Simba unleashed his mighty roar, sending chills down the spines of the hunters. They were taken aback by the powerful display of strength and retreated, realizing they were no match for the united force of the jungle. The animals rejoiced, grateful for their brave and resourceful leader. They celebrated their victory with a joyous feast, expressing their gratitude to Simba for his unwavering protection. From that day forward, the animals of the jungle lived in peace and harmony. They understood the importance of standing united and using their individual strengths for the greater good. Simba's leadership and their collective efforts had taught them the power of unity and the strength that came.
Oh, still you haven't subscribed to our channel? Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.